Hey guys, sniperdufus back, featuring my creaky chair. Anyway, I'm just going to talk about what has changed for me over 2 months of trading from tomorrow. So we can see here, the 1st of the 7th is tomorrow, and my first trade was 1st of the 5th, 2020. I started with $60.58, I'm now at $67, and right now of this recording I'm at $68. I just haven't filled this out. Anywho, let's go over how I used to trade. So let's just have a look over some of these previous trades. Okay, like this. What is this chart? I have an RSI here. I didn't even know how to use an RSI. I have this line right here. I don't know what this line is even telling me. Maybe it's telling me it's a downtrend. I have this upwards trend line. I don't even know if it's connected to anything or what. I have this EMA. I don't even know how to use an EMA. Like just a single EMA, it doesn't really tell you anything. I can see that I have this volume thing, which really is kind of pointless, because my background is, if you take a look, oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Take a look at my background, you can actually just see I have all the sessions based off my Australian time. And then I have another high here, and then obviously the high range, which is that little rectangle. It's just telling me so much garbage that it makes it so hard. And if I look at my trades now, oh whoops, what am I doing? Oh yeah, if I look at my trades now, look at that, it's so simple. I don't actually use OBV, I just have it there because it looks kind of nice. Anyway, what I do is I just look for the trend and then highlight a key level and a break and retest. So here we can see that so it's in a downtrend, looking for a sell, done, that's a tick. Looking for a break and so a break of this support level, okay, it broke, and then a retest. We can see this candle is kind of a retest, or even this area here, it's kind of a retest. It starts to fall away, and then you want to go to wherever the previous support line was. So for me, I'd probably go there, and I like to just set a 15 pip chart, or probably something above the previous structure. So that, perfect. 1.64 risk reward ratio. It's a good trade. That's all I do, literally every week. Here I can see, look, right now I'm about to highlight a key level, done. So I see it's in an uptrend. If it breaks this key level, then I'll be looking, and on the retest I'll be looking for a buy right here. Probably have my stop loss around here, just below this structure, and then probably, because I don't like waiting too long on my trades, but I will get better eventually, right? I'm being patient. Then here I can just see that I have 2 to 2.4 risk reward ratio. Alright, let's just go into what I've learned. So I have my lessons learned and just notes here, really badly color coded. So at the start I was finding myself trading against the trend quite a lot, which is these yellow things. I don't know why I did that. I was kind of trading not reversals, but the pullbacks in the market, which is pointless. I could just enter in those pullbacks and just ride the trend up. Here I forgot to look at daily charts. So as I've been trading more and more, I've learned that the 4-hour chart is probably my favorite chart, because it actually tells me the direction of the trend compared to the 1 hour or the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and it's just much safer. Here, don't be risky, take your profits. So I realized I was just letting my profits run way too high, and I didn't even set a take profit really. Here, this was over trading after a big win. Let's see this big win. It was pretty bad loss after loss after loss. I think it was here, this point right here. I just lost all my profits, basically 2, 4, 6, basically like $7, and now this $8 trade that I won is like 30 cents because I just wanted to make more money and was greedy. Not good. And then as I started getting better at dealing with my over trading, then I was learning how to get better entries. So I think finding good entries are really important. What else was there? Oh, and now I'm learning trailing stop losses, but because I can only buy a 0.01 lot size, I can't really close partial profits. So I'm just learning right now. But yeah, I shouldn't have taken this trade because every other pair had broke downtrend structure except this pair, and therefore this pair also had a higher chance of breaking structure because pairs like correlate really. And so as like the more experience you get, from what I know, and only 2 months of trading, so it's like really nothing. I've learned that the hardest thing about actually trading is actually just, hold on, my brain lost my thought. Oh, it's actually just a psychological aspect. Like, let's have a look right here, Okay, this is a trade I actually took, right? This brilliant setup, right? It's it's strong downtrend. I can see here break, retest, down, and then bounces up, breaks, and retests, and like this looks like a good trade, right? 40 pips, done, bagged it. But then I, being scared and playing video games, like as I'm watching the trade, get nervous at every little twitchy move, and man closed it like this. And now look at this. This is 0.7 risk reward. So I'm actually losing more money than I'm gaining, and that is not good. You always want it to be at least 1-to-1. So like, it'd have to be at least this, basically. One. And this here, if I fell asleep, this would have been a brilliant trade. I would have just bagged 40 pips, like $8, done, go home. And so yeah, as I'm getting better, I'm just learning how to cope with my psychological aspect of trading, and it's getting kind of better. That's it for the video.